In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove trusted contacts in the Monzo app. Trusted contacts are a simple way to build an extra layer of support into your banking. Depending on Monzo's security features, these are people you choose who can help you in certain situations, giving you more peace of mind without changing your day-to-day banking. Think of it as selecting a small, reliable support circle you can keep right inside your app. Start by opening the Monzo app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and on the main screen so everything is easy to find. Next, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. This opens your account area where you can adjust personal settings, privacy options, and other important preferences. From here, select the settings cog. You'll see a list of categories that control how your app behaves, including security and account controls you can tailor to your needs. Look for trusted contacts under either security or account options. The exact placement and wording can vary slightly by app version, so check both sections if you don't see it right away. Once you find it, tap to open the Trusted Contacts page where you'll manage who's on your list. To add a contact, choose up to 3 people from your phone's contacts who also have a Monzo account. Only contacts who use Monzo will be eligible to add, so if someone doesn't appear, they may not be on Monzo yet, or their details might not match what's saved in your phone. Pick the people you trust most, ideally those you can reach easily, and confirm your selection. You'll see them appear in your Trusted Contacts list immediately. If you ever need to remove a contact, open the Trusted Contacts page, then tap the person you want to remove. Select Remove Contact to take them off your emergency list. If you change your mind later, you can add them back the same way you added them before. Changes take effect immediately and you can update your list whenever your circumstances change. It's a good habit to review it occasionally, especially if friends change numbers or switch phones, to make sure everything stays accurate. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep your Monzo app up to date so security features, including trusted contacts, appear where expected. Also, make sure the names and numbers in your phone's contacts are current, since Monzo uses those details to match people to their accounts. That's it. You've learned how to open Monzo, navigate to settings, find the trusted contacts section, add up to 3 trusted people, and remove anyone you no longer want on the list. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and follow along in your app as you set this up.